How to fix the user profile service failed the logon in Windows 10. To fix the user profile service failed the logon in Windows 10, try these steps. 1. Run your Windows in its safe mode with networking. 2. Use System File Checker. SFC, in Advanced Options Command Prompt. Input the SFC/scanO command for System File Checker, SFC. Plan B, enable the user profile service by running this scconfig prof svc start equals auto command. Plan C, enter save. Mode, go to hkey_local_machine /software/Microsoft/Windows NT/current version/profile list in registry editor. If you see two files with the same file name, but one will have .boc as its extension, rename that file by removing the boc extension. Modify the renamed file's value data from 8000 to 0, change rep count's value data to 0. Locate the file that didn't originally have the .boc extension and add .boc at the end of it. Save your change and reboot your system. If you don't find a .boc file in the registry editor, go to c:\users/default/appdata/local/application data and see if there are two folder named application data, delete that folder and reboot your computer. Plan D, restore your computer to an earlier state.